Let's try Philips Epilator 8000. Comes with 9+ accessories. Exfoliator head. Pedicure head. Shaving head with trimming comb. Trimming head with bikini comb. Charger. Optimal contact cap. Delicate area cap. And pouch. Looks nice, easy to handle, not so heavy, and the good thing it is wireless. Epilating for the first time. I am first gonna try on my leg. It's been long I haven't had waxed my legs. So here I go. The sensation when using the epilator is similar to tweezing your eyebrows, but not too painful. Not bad. Smooth. Now on my hand. Let's begin. Less pain on hand as compared to leg. It is my first epilator and I absolutely love it. It is very easy in use and very effective. I love the fact that you can use it in the shower since it's waterproof. Great quality. 100% recommend. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.